Welcome guys, this is Roland Blazay, KompaKeyboardSchool.com. I got an exciting lesson for you. Let's get started.
Something that's good for me.
Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. We're about to get right into it guys. I'm about to show you something sweet you can add to your Gouyad solos. Watch this guys, this is an example. Okay guys, what key are we in? We're in the key of A. Now the key of A is a mixture of white and black keys, so a lot of people don't like it, but we're in the key of A guys. So the song is what? It starts on our 6, G flat minor, and then it goes to our 2. This is our passing chord, our 2, which is B major, B minor. Then it goes to our 5, which is E major, then back to our passing chord, which is 2 again. So what was I doing, guys? What was I doing? We're getting into the response technique as it applies to Gouyad solos. So watch this movement real quick. The first thing I did was this. And if you notice, I'm only playing with 3 notes. And they're all stemming from this G flat minor, our 6, our first chord. So I start on the 7th note. So 7, 1, 7, 6, or A flat, A flat, G flat. And I just keep doing this. And when I get to my passing chord, I don't do the regular passing chord, which is B minor. Instead of that, I extend it. Remember when I told you to add notes? This is what I did instead. I substitute this for this. I basically take the suspended second of A. So I'm just using this as a passing chord. And I'm not going to get into that. Guys, I have a Kompa course at KompaKeyboardSchool.com where I break down what that even is, guys. Where I'm using the major 11. It's basically a major 11. But I'm doing this. I simplified it. But guys, we're not going to break that down today. If you go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com, you'll get a beginner course on all these things for the low. So let's continue with that. So just know that this is what I'm using for my passing notes. E, B, A. And look at how the binder's moving. When I hit E, I'm moving this down and up. So the right binder goes up when I hit E. So remember guys, you start on your 7, do this. Remember about the response technique. I'm playing low, and then I move my fingers a little higher, and then I move my fingers low again. And what are these notes of? These are our notes of our E major. So it's basically G minor, our passing chord, then E major, our passing chord, then G minor again. So it's basically this. But in between that, I'm going. So it's very simple. It's a simple solo once you do it often. So let's do that again. Now let's respond. We're using our passing chord to respond. Let's go back down. Let's respond again. So we're going to try it with the beat and then build another solo so you guys can understand what I'm doing. You guys get the idea. So let's go ahead and try another solo with the same concept. So we know our first chord is G minor. Let's take this note and move it down. We're gonna do that with the solo sound. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna respond on a higher octave with our same passing chord. And we're gonna do this. This version of E. So watch this, guys. You guys get it, guys. So what am I doing? This is all a part of this chord, G minor. We're starting on a 6. But when we go to the 2, instead of a 2, which is B minor, we're just gonna do this. And then we go to the E major. We bring the B back here. So. And then you go back up here again and respond. So the response technique is really easy. You don't have to do it complicated. You can just use these 3 notes for your passing chord. You don't have to do too much. As long as you're using the main chords. You can do whatever you want as your passing. It's very beautiful, guys. So I hope you guys caught that. Remember, if you need Kompa sounds, go to kompakeyboardschool.com. This is Roland Blazay, signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.